Welcome to Around the World in 5 Destinations. Bali, Indonesia. Bali is a beautiful island in Indonesia that's known for its stunning beaches, ancient temples, and lush greenery. Visitors can enjoy water sports, explore cultural landmarks, and take in the vibrant nightlife. Tokyo, Japan. Tokyo is a city that never sleeps, with endless attractions, from world-class cuisine to high-tech shopping districts. It's also home to stunning temples, museums, and beautiful gardens. Cape Town, South Africa. Cape Town is a vibrant city with a diverse culture and breathtaking natural beauty. It's known for its stunning beaches, hiking trails, and picturesque wineries. Paris, France. Paris is the city of love and romance, with iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and Notre Dame Cathedral. Visitors can also enjoy world-class cuisine, shopping, and entertainment. New York City, USA. New York City is a bustling metropolis with a diverse culture and endless attractions. Visitors can enjoy world-famous landmarks like the Statue of Liberty, Central Park, and the Empire State Building, as well as museums, theaters, and restaurants.